Learning science can be so much fun. Come on, let's do a science experiment, everyone. What happens when we mix 3 different things? Let's see the reaction this experiment brings. You will need
Vinegar. Soda. Food color, Mama.
Mix the soda with the food color. You can make it really bright or make it duller. Then, this last part is really the best. Let's add the vinegar and put it to the test. Have fun!
Wow! He can't be moved! Again!
Look at the colors. Look.
Soda.
Hit that red button and subscribe today to the HeeHee Kids channel.